Want to 4K your videos on mobile just like Topaz does on PC? I'm dropping a full tutorial soon showing you how to upscale your videos using just your phone and an app called Winx and Alight Motion. If you're into high quality edits and want that crispy pro look, you don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned. Alright, first things first, open up the Winx app. Now tap on image quality and then choose the portrait option. Next, pick the video you want to upscale and let it process. And boom! Here's the final result. Now let's move on to the next step. Now open up Alight Motion and import the video we just upscaled. Adjust it to fit the screen size properly. Then add a rectangle layer and tap on Fill. Now it's time to add some effect. First effect, copy background. Second, inner blur. Set the strength to 0.120. Next, add the exposure and gamma effect, and set the exposure to -1.01. Then tap on blending and opacity, set the blend mode to difference, and select subtract. Now add a second rectangle layer. This time, just change its color to white. Go to blending, set it to contrast, and choose overlay. Now for the third rectangle. Add two effects here. First, copy background. Second, sharpen. Set strength to 0.19 and radius to 1.5. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now let's check out the before and after. You're gonna love the difference.
I loved you. How could you do this?
Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can show you all the ways to monetize your videos too. Catch you in the next one. Bye.